Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF, US dollar Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CHF in front of us right now, and as you can clearly see that this is not a beautiful chart, not a simple chart. The chart looks complicated and messy. Okay, so let's try to understand what is going on the chart of USD CHF, and let's try to find out what can be the best trading opportunities on the USD CHF chart. Let's find out. So first and foremost, if you look at the overall trend of the market here, then we do not get a clear picture. Unlike the chart of Euro USD, USD CAD, the chart of USD CAD is not a simple one because the chart is not that pretty. And if we just look at the present trend of the market, okay, and if we just look at the present trend of the market, again we do not get a clear picture. Rather, this is a sideways market or a choppy market. So as we all know, trading on a trending market is easier in comparison to sideways market or a choppy market, and unfortunately USD CHF is a perfect example of choppy market. You can see that we do not have any proper levels here. Market going up, down, up, down, up, down and on. Okay, but in a market condition like this, there is no dominance of either buyers or sellers, or in simple words, number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, there is a choppiness on the market going on. So what should be our strategy? Okay, the strategy is kind of complicated, and to understand the strategy we need these lines. You can see that first I have a resistance zone on the top side, okay, on top, but as the current market price is far away from this resistance level, therefore we do not need to discuss about the resistance. We just need to understand market here and this particular level here. So first and foremost, let's talk about this trend line. As you can see that we have a trend line on the chart, and we can hope that in the future, whenever market will be coming down, this trend line will be acting as a support for the market, or will provide some support to the market. Therefore, if you trade on USD CHF chart, then I'll request you to draw this trend line, because in case there is a sudden fall in the market or selling pressure in the market, then this trend line will be providing, or at least we can hope that this trend line will provide some support to the market. Okay, so your strategy is simple. If market bounces or reverses from this trend line, just click on the buy button and just make sure that you only trade with confirmation, and the confirmation will be in the form of a hammer pattern, price rejection from below, or a bullish engulfing pattern. Once you get any of these conditions in the trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market is still respecting the trend line as a valid support, and you can just click on the buy button. So this trend line is your first trading opportunity. Yeah. So the second trading opportunity is the black line that I have drawn here, and in comparison to the support, this trend line, this black line is quite important. And to understand the importance of this line, we need to go to the weekly chart. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis. Especially I prefer to consult the weekly time frame, because higher time frames like weekly time frame, daily time frame belong to the institutional traders, the big traders, the big boys. As a result, these time frames are important. So in the weekly time frame, you can see that we have a resistance. Okay, we have a resistance at this particular level, 0.9180. 0.9180, and you can see that for last couple of weeks, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, for 11 weeks market has failed. Okay, for market has failed to cross this level. So it's been more than 2 months market is trying to cross this particular level, but market has failed each and every time, and every week market has given a closing below the level. As a result, 0.9180 is a very important level on the chart of USDCHF, and hopefully you have understood the importance of this level right now. Therefore, I'll request you to draw this line on your charting platform because this is the most important level on the USDCHF chart. So if market goes up from here, listen to me carefully, if market goes up from here and reverses from here, you can short the market. Just make sure you get the confirmation. And how will you get the confirmation? You get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star or a big red candle like this, big red candles like this. Okay, a price rejection from above. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is about to reverse from this particular level, you can short the market. Okay, this level is quite far away, so there is a good possibility or possibility that market will be reversing from this level. Okay, so as of now, these two are the only trading possibilities or opportunities on the USDCHF chart, at least according to my analysis right now. I prefer to be on the defensive side. So if your analysis varies, then feel free to write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And I would like to also inform that tomorrow NFP is about to come, as tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, and as we all know, NFP is a very strong market driving force. So after the NFP report, okay, we usually see dollar getting mad crazy. So if US dollar starts going up after the NFP report, then there is a possibility that the USD CHF will also be going up. On the other hand, if dollar starts going if dollar starts going down after the NFP report, then there is a possibility that USD CHF will also be going down after the NFP report, because US dollar and USD CHF, they are very much correlated. So um, until and unless the NFP report comes out and drive the market crazy, just follow the strategy that I just mentioned couple of minutes ago. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.